Hi, my name is Bernard. We at Maxis told you that it's impossible to get a bill shock on our new Maxis-One postpaid plan. And to prove it today, we're going to pass the phone to someone who's not really good at using it. This guy.
So with me now is Ujang, and Ujang is a blue and gold macaw, and I've been training him for the past 5 years. He knows quite a number of tricks, and Ujang is really good at mathematics. You right? You good at maths? Good.
See what you're made of, Ujang?
10 plus 15?
Yep.
I'm quite sure Ujang will nail this.
Doesn't need a calculator or something?
Got
wow.
the first number.
That's only the first.
That's the first.
That's only the first.
See that?
Wow, wow.
Okay. Sir.
Very good, very good. Fantastic, Ujang. Great job. I mean, it's good that he's good in numbers because he's going to need that skill later on. Chris will be training Ujang a new trick to make phone calls. This is the keyboard we'll be using. It is connected to my phone over here, and when he pecks on the right sequence, it activates the phone call.
You see, if Ujang keys in the wrong number, and if the bill goes really high, it's gonna be on your head.
Absolutely. Confirm. No issues with that. The number of right and wrong numbers called will be recorded on the scoreboard over here. Okay, and this is your
This
the
is
number
the
list.
numbers.
Yes. Of
This
numbers.
is the number that Ujang has to dial.
Yes.
Okay. Hari ni Ujang kena tekan nombor ni semua sebab kita nak menang cabaran. Boleh? Bagus. Okay. Penat? Be good to go.
Good. Going for it, huh? Okay, he's almost there. The call is going through.
Hello? Hello?
Ayah, who's that?
But who's that?
Hello? Siapa ni?
Okay, he's going for it again.
Hello? Bingo.
Is that the right one?
Oh, tak kena Update the delivery.
Look.
No number.
Is anyone on the
I
line?
thought it was your mom.
Maxis company.
Hello?
Long day, Chris. Come on. Hello, Ujang. Well done. Bagus, Ujang. Good go. Yes, finally. Well, there was a lot of calls he made. Luckily, we're on the Maxis-One plan, the one and only postpaid plan that promises to never charge a cent, no matter which number you dial. So now, you never have to worry about bill shock again. Right, Ujang? Chris, you can have your bird back now, Chris. Let's call it a wrap, guys.